Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. We bought my wife and my son bought a couple of the apparels from Michael Kors from Citadel. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I'm just going to dump it out and so my son got one of this Michael Kors fleece. This is like a half zip sweatshirt. And this one could become like a turtleneck. You got the MK on the zipper. And it says Michael Kors across the chest. This one is a navy color. Size medium. Then here is the label. Then here is a tag. So it shows $128 and it was on sale for 50% off. So it's like 64 bucks. Kind of expensive still. So this one there's no pocket at all, so and it's quite pretty thin, not too thick. And then the second one is this one of Michael Kors, size small. This is like a purple polo shirt with the 3 buttons. You got the stripes around the collar. And toward the end of the sleeve. And you got the MK embroidery on the left of the chest. There's no pocket. Here is the tag. It is on sale for $29.99. Let's see how much is the original price. Let me peel this off real quick. Wow, originally 95 bucks. So yeah, this one is pretty good price, pretty soft. But still kind of expensive, 30 bucks. And here's the sizes or the labels. This one only got one. Oh, same as earlier too, my bad. Got stuck together. Alright, And my wife picked up this blue dress, Michael Kors, size 8. I guess everything is made in China. Wow, it shows $275. I believe it was like a 60% discount. And you got the nice chrome button, Michael Kors. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here was the cup look like. It has one of the chrome buttons, and it's cut open right here. Here's the other side. And this one is pretty long dress. And here are the label. Remove before wearing or cleaning. So this is like a metal detector here, okay? In case you try to steal it. Maybe that's why we went to the other store, it stopped beeping. I was like, what? Did they forget about the tag? So that's what caused it. So this one has 3 tags. 1, 2, 3. So here's another piece. This one is purple mixed pattern. This is size medium. And here is the price. I believe, I think it might be 50 or 60% off the regular price. So again, this one has the same thing as security theft strip right here. And again, you got the same thing. This one has 3 tags. And on our total cups is elastic. She likes this design. Looks pretty nice. And you got this gold button. Michael Kors. Got 2 at the button around the neck area. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 button going down. All right, that's that. Then the last piece will be this purple with this chain. It's quite heavy chain. And this one is size medium, size large. Come with the 1 extra chrome button, only 1. And here is the price, $110. I believe it's 50 or 60% off. So there's no button at all. Yeah, as you can see, you gotta see through it around the Oh, wow, everything is see-through actually. And it says Michael Kors on both sides. And here's a chrome button with the toward the cuff. And again, you got the security strip right there. And again, wow, this one has like so many labels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 labels. Are they gone mad or something? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.